Hello, YouTubers. Hey, this is Brad at AdBlast 102, and I'm discussing today weight loss, in particular, fat burning meals plan, and how to find a fat burning meal plan. How difficult that is. I just did a search on YouTube. And I found several articles about fat burning meals, and that all sounds great. You're not going to find a whole lot of detailed information, and that's what we're really after. How to do it. People need help. They need lots of it. In the description box of this video is a link to the most fabulous resource, days and days, months and months of metabolic thermic effect food meal plans. Now, just to give you an example, I was visiting a site, bodybuilding.com. This is a huge site, tons of traffic. They had an article about a typical thermic effect meal plan. And, they give you some kind of general ideas. Breakfast here, oatmeal flavored with cinnamon, an apple. I made a video about thermic foods, oatmeal and apple and eggs are all on that list, as well as water. That's a good idea. You fix those right. Mid-morning snack consisting of a protein bar, which is low fat and low sugar and a high protein. You can get those. Not hard to come by. Lots of those on the market. Lunch, a lean meat like chicken, brown rice, vegetables, fixed right, just so you don't load them up with sugar and fat. And again, water. Mid-afternoon snack of yogurt that's not sweetened, and a protein shake. Again, not a low sugar content protein shake, preferably whey. You want to avoid the soy, in my opinion. Dinner, a steak, sweet potato. I mentioned in a previous video about the virtue of baked sweet potatoes, as long as you don't load them up with the wrong things. Carrots and water, and a midnight or a nighttime snack of a pudding, a protein pudding. And there's different ways you can arrive at that, but they give some meal planning basics. It's all good information, but again, as you visit these sites, you're going to find that these articles just give you some vague generalities, and that there are finding resources, finding out how to get the best fat burning meals plan, that it covers extended periods of time. That's what we need. People start out great, and then they get tired of eating the same thing. I know how that goes. And boredom forces you to start cheating. And you need something that gives you lots of choices over the long haul. That teaches you a lifestyle of thermic food eating and metabolic dieting. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video. I encourage you to click the link below, explore this amazing piece of information and help that will give you the tools to lose weight for the long haul. We're looking for sustainability, not how much can I lose in 30 days. How much can I lose and keep off for the rest of my life? And I wish you the best. This is critically important to your health. Again, thank you for watching. I'd encourage you to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.